Is the education system is too old? What's one thing students don't realize about teachers until much later? If you had a message to give yourself 20-year-old, what would it be? What's your view on students building startups during engineering? Okay, sir. Please briefly introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Dr. Manvind Vashisht. I am working here as professor and head Department of Applied Science and Humanities. I'm in this teaching profession since last 32 years. I completed my BSc, Master's degree and PhD from University of Rajasthan, Jaipur. Initially, at the age of 21, I joined as assistant professor in government aided college. I worked there for 15 years and then I settled down myself to Mumbai. And from last 15 years, I am working here.
Okay, so you are one of the most experienced faculties in our college, like 32 years of experience. So my first question to you would be the best question, I think, and you are the perfect person to ask that question. Is the education system is too old?
Actually, education system is not too old because when you apply this NEP 2020, now lots of modifications take place. Yes, of course, initially education system is basically depends on theory and then based on practical. But the one thing in education is it should be skill based. We are teaching students for the theory subject, preparing theory and practicals. But students are not skill oriented. And if you want to survive right now in the market or industry, whatever course you do, at least one or two skill you should be here. So course should be designed in such a way that one should be perfect in one particular skill, whatever it is.
Okay, sir. My next question would be, what's one thing students don't realize about teachers until much later?
Okay. Actually, students at the age of 18, 19, 20, they don't realize that this teacher is not just teaching you, it is education. So what the teacher is investing the entire experience, entire knowledge, implanting to students, and you are just understand he's just teaching, he's not teaching, he's just flowing their experience from one soul to another soul. When you understand कि in a span of a very small period you are eligible for 30 years of experience, then this thing is the beautiful thing. And teachers always remembers their students either by name or by their face or by their activities. And whenever students get some sort of success, the biggest smile always comes on teacher's face.
Yeah, that's actually true. Like, so to sum up what you said is that an experienced faculty just channelizes their knowledge and experience in a very much short period of time.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, so my next question will be, if you had a message to give yourself 20-year-old, what would it be?
Yeah, absolutely correct. Because when I am actually at 20 years, the streamline is very straightforward. At that time, we have a very limited options to succeed. But now you can see even after 10th or after 12th, you have so many things to do. But in my opinion, at that time, things are very narrow one. And we just follow the narrow ties because the global market is not open at that time. Right now, you have lots of things to do. And that's everything changes when the digital electronics comes into the place.
So yes, so basically you are trying to tell that we should come out of the comfort zone.
Absolutely.
Yeah, as right now we are computer engineering students and we are trying this something new, content creation. So yeah, that's the whole point. My next question will be, what's your view on students building startups during engineering?
Okay, actually, during engineering, lots of assignments, tutorials, academics is there. So during engineering, starting a startup, it's a really huge task because you need to balance your academics, you need to balance your subject knowledge, then you need to fundraising, then you should have some particular idea, then you have a one particular field team, and then you need to manage thing. And apart from a small period during this 3-4 years of span, during everything managing is a risk task. But yes, it is very, very challenging. But if you do it correctly, then 100%, I am 100% sure you will succeed. And you will really enjoy the real image of transforming India from student life to entrepreneur life.
Okay. Thank you. What will be your advice to a person who is trying to do a startup while being an engineering student? Just sum up in one line.
There is two things in this. What is the motto of your education? You want to do job or you want to create job? So my objective, you should enhance your skill in such a way that instead of you want to searching job, somebody search job from your side. So you job provider, not job seeker.
So yeah, that was an amazing answer. So thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, dear.